Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear doubts. Friends, today's video is question number 2.59 from NCERT textbook class 11 and the chapter name is Structure of Atom. So let's check the question. If the velocity of the electron in Bohr's first orbit is 2.19 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second, calculate the de Broglie wavelength associated with it. So friends, here it is given the velocity, which is 2.19 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second. Now we need to find the wavelength lambda, which is not given here. So friends, the formula for the de Broglie wavelength lambda is equal to h upon mv, where h is the Planck's constant, m is the mass and v is the velocity. So friends, if we put the values here, we can easily find the answer. For this, h value is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second, which is a fixed value, and mass of the electron, it is also a fixed value. Mass of the electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. So we can put these values. So let's start. So lambda will be h is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. Now upon mass 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg multiplied by velocity, which is given 2.19 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second. Now doing the calculations, numerical calculation, we will get the value here 3.32 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. This is the wavelength. We can write, or in more appropriate way, we can write 10 to the power minus 10 meter. It means 1 angstrom. We knew that. I can write here 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. So using this, we can write here 3.32 angstrom also is the wavelength. Or one more way to mention the answer is, because lambda we got 3.32 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. If we shift the decimal 2 step right side, what will happen? 332 will come into 10 to the power minus 10 is already there, and 2 step backward means right side, means minus 2 is added. So minus 10 and minus 2 become minus 12 meter. So we knew that 1 picometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 12 meter. So we can mention our answer in terms of picometer as well. So this I am teaching. If the question asks that please tell the answer in angstrom or tell the answer in picometer, you can convert it easily from meter. So the answer will be here 332 picometer. That will be our wavelength. So here I make you learn how to convert the angstrom, meter and picometer. So friends, this all three are our answer. Hope you guys like the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. If you have any confusion regarding the calculations, please do write in comment section. Till then, thank you.